Ed from Addison, Texas, has a question about bee busting.
Yeah, they keep infiltrating his house, and he says, Tom, he used to be able to walk across the driveway and ask you questions. You know Ed?
Ed, I do. I know his children. I know his wife. They're a wonderful family. And they were my next-door neighbors on the left side.
Oh, okay. On the outside. All right.
Great guy. They had to move to Dallas for work, so.
Well, Ed writes, I know you're not supposed to caulk the bottom edge of cement board siding to the house. He's got Hardy there, right? That being said, we've had 3 different bee swarms in the past few years move into our house where the siding and the brick meet. You notice they're not going through the Hardy, right?
That's true.
They're coming underneath it. Right. So all different places in the house, they find different places, but nonetheless, they moved in. Can we caulk to fix this problem?
You can certainly caulk that area if you had a bee problem. Now, I had a bee problem once, and I had to caulk on areas I probably wouldn't have caulked before because it was unnecessary. But bees are pesky little things, and as much as I love the bees, with all my trees and all the stuff I need the bees for, they don't belong in your house. That's just the bottom line. And my mother even had that happen to her house when she was alive, and my pest control guy came out and sealed the area once he removed the bees or got rid of the bees. I killed them all, and I sealed the area too. But, yeah, if you have to, you have to. You can't let those bees keep coming in. They'll have to go find another home. That's all there is to it.
And that caulk will be enough to stop the bee? It's not like a
they're not
squirrel or
going
something.
to drill through it.
Yeah,
If you get a little tiny hole, they'll find a way in that little hole. But as far as going through caulking, no, that's pretty much a rubber deterrent for them. They're not coming through.
So cock up your caulk gun and get busy.
Yeah, that's a tough way to caulk. He's going to have to lay on the ground down there and if he's doing between that and the bottom of the siding and the foundation. But
well, actually,
it can be done.
When I look at the picture, it looks like the Hardy comes down to about the first story. So I think he'll actually be up on the ladder doing it.
That's right. It's over the brick. That's right. So it's more of a freeze board is what we call it, and then instead of the siding.
Okay.
So that last board that overlaps the brick, we call it a freeze board.
He just doesn't have to worry about them getting through the Hardy. That's for sure.
Oh no, I know. A squirrel might. They'll chew through. They'll sometimes.
Squirrels are pet. Yeah.
Squirrels are something else. I'm telling you. Mm-hmm. You just got to get rid of those guys.
That's why squirrel is a verb too, right? You know, the squirrely thing. All right, you got a question. That would be an adjective. But anyway, all right, you got a question, noun, verb, whatever you want to send us. Feel free. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button. Send it in. You can even include pictures too, just like Ed did. And we'll answer it just like this in one of our questions that we'll post to our YouTube channel, our website, and our Facebook page. Have you liked us there yet?